The beginning of the purge. Since when to get vultures over here? Fucking that bird up. Get it all, little daddy. Just leave me the fuck alone. Poor little Tweety bird. That ain't the real Tweety bird. Damn. Was that the head? Using your claws and your talons and your beak, huh? See if I get close. Let me see what happens. Do. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay. He like, yeah, what up? What up? Fuck, I can't see now. Okay, there it go. Too much sun. You don't want the feathers, dog. When you gonna start walking, how close could I get? Yep, there you go. You're like, go on and feast down, bro. I don't want your catch. There you go. Oh, you gonna take the motherfucker. Look at you. I'm taking this. Nigga looking at me eat. Going about my business. That's all I'm doing, minding my business. Why you in my business, dog? Trying to get my grub on, nigga. Y'all in my plate, nigga. Fuck going on, man? Fuck this, I'm gone. What kind of bird is that, though? And did you pluck it out the air? It don't look like no pigeon. Don't look like no rabbit. Cause it got bird feet. I'm still recording? Yeah. And feathers. You gonna eat that? Oh, you ate that? Ugh. You eat everything, huh? You eat everything. You like, fuck that. Fuck with them flies in, nigga. You bad? I'm good.